fitting extension. User manual, how to install and everything, how to install shower filter and filter cartridge. User manual. This is support number and message for customer if he or she want to fit their shower filter on their tap or mixture. They just contact us and we will share them a video link about how to install, and also we will provide them additional fitting extension of different of their tap size. This is a Teflon tape. This is a cartridge, and one extra cartridge in the box. Okay, let me open it, because right now I'm holding my mobile with one hand and with the other hand I'm unboxing cartridge. That's why some difficulty in recording video. This is cartridge, and this is shower filter. You can see how good we packed it. It is in bubble sheet, so there is no any chance for damage. And this box is a heavy duty box. You can see heavy box. I am pressing it with my hand, and you can see it is not pressed. You can see, yeah, you can see I am pressing it. And it is 5-ply box, 5-ply heavy duty box. You can see I close it, and then after that I will show you the, yeah, you can see it. I am pressing it, yeah, I am pressing it, you can see. And now I'm showing you shower filter. It is in bubble sheet. You can see there is no any chance for damage while in transit. Okay, with one hand it is hard to open. Okay, remove bubble sheet, but I can show you. Wait, yeah, this is bubble sheet. And after bubble sheet you can see there is another plastic bag, yeah, and here is washer, and it is plastic bag. You can see, and here is our brand printed on it. You can see logo. So there is no chance for damage. One hand, that's why. Just wait. Here, okay, this is shower filter. There is one washer, and one washer is here to install.